Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to translate text and images with AI. If you want to translate text from your images, so you just need an application. So just open your Play Store app and then go to search bar. Here you just have to search for an application named Google Lens. Just search for it and then just open this app and install it. As you can see, I have already installed the app, so just open the app and here you just have to select the gallery option and now just select the picture you want to translate. I am going to translate this one, so just tap on it and now it is selected and now tap on translate. Here you just have to choose the language in which you want to translate the picture. As I am choosing English, so just tap on it and now it will successfully translate it into English. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.